Hey everybody, today is September 22nd, and this is the first day of autumn, also called fall, here in the Northern Hemisphere. So, how do we know that it's the first day of autumn? Well, that's because of something called the equinox. This means it is also the first day of spring for our friends in the Southern Hemisphere. Let's talk about the language of the seasons. Okay, first thing to know is that the Earth is not straight up, right? The Earth is tilted, and it is tilted on what is called the axis. However, the Earth is not always at the same angle. So when the Earth changes the angle of its axis, this changes the seasons. As the Earth revolves around the Sun, the angle of its axis moves. Now, when one side of the Earth, let's say the Northern Hemisphere, is tilted towards the Sun, that is summer. When it is tilted away from the Sun, that's winter. And then the opposite is true for the Southern Hemisphere. As the Earth tilts, it doesn't go all the way to the side, right? That would suck. But it does tilt to a certain degree. That maximum degree is called the solstice. And in the summertime, it's the summer solstice. In the wintertime, when it's tilted away, it's the winter solstice. The equinox happens when the angle or the tilt of the Earth is zero. It's straight up, right? So the equator is kind of perfectly flat relative to the sun, right? When the Earth's axis is zero, what that means is that the northern and the southern hemispheres, they receive equal amounts of sunlight and darkness. So what does the word equinox mean? Well, we have to look, as we usually do with English, we have to look at Latin. Equi, which looks a lot like the word equal, which means the same. And then we have the word nox. And nox means night. So the word equinox says that the amount of daylight is equal to the amount of nighttime. So everybody, I wish you all a very happy autumn if you're here in the Northern Hemisphere. And for my friends in the Southern Hemisphere, I wish you a very happy spring. See you soon.